Hello guys, today we'll talk about a new monster for gaming, a new phone in 2023. This phone is Redmi K60 Ultra. This phone reached to 24GB RAM with charger 120W. Before begin, don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to receive all videos. Number 1. The body here come with length 162.15 mm, width 75.7 mm, thickness 8.49 mm, and its weight 204g aluminum frame. Number 2. The screen type here is OLED with size 6.67 inches, display screen ratio 87.5%, come with Protect Glass Corning Gorilla Glass and come with refresh rate 144Hz, very smooth brightness up to 2600 nits and come with water resistance IP68 up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Number 3. The processor here is Dimensity 9000 plus 4 nanometer. This is very good processor, very close in performance to the processor Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. This means that you will play and browse without interruption or lagging in, but unfortunately you can play games as PUBG Mobile smooth 60 FPS, although it is supposed to run the game 90 frames per second or Ultra HD 60 frames per second, and same thing as in a game Call of Duty and other games, and the speakers here are stereo and very high. Number 4. The camera, there are 3 cameras in the back. The first camera here is wide 50 megapixel, come with lens slot 1.7. Second camera here 8 megapixel ultra wide with 119 degree. The third camera 2 megapixel macro, come with lens slot 2.4, support more features. You can take a beautiful photo by this camera. This camera record video 8K 24 frames per second, 4K 30 60 FPS or 1080 30 to 960 FPS. But the front camera 20 megapixel wide record video 1080 30 to 120 frames per second. Number 5. The battery here is 5000 mAh here. This battery is very big and its USB is Type-C, and its charger here is 120W charge in 19 minutes only. Thank you to watch to the end of the video. Don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.